Alright, so here's the best way to use one of these charcoal chimneys to start the charcoal. First thing you want to do, actually, you don't want to put too much charcoal in here. You want to be able to actually see through the bottom. So actually this is kind of a bit. So you can take some out. It's best if you have like room where air can get through. Okay, so you want to have where you can actually see into the bottom. Alright, and the reason for that is the more airflow, the better the fire will burn and the hotter it will burn. Once you get this charcoal going, you can actually pour in more charcoal. So let me actually start this up with a lighter. I can't do this one-handed, so I'm going to start lighting it, and then I'll show you what it looks like when the fire starts coming through. Right, so we got some fire going already, okay? And I shoved in about 4 or 5 pieces of crumbled up paper in there to kind of get it going. And yeah, so again, you want it to where, as you can see, the flames are coming through the charcoal, and that will help it burn the best. So just let it go. You'll know it's ready when you see fire coming through from the charcoal, even when there's not really any paper down here. So let's let it go. We might have to put in like another 5 to 10 pieces of paper as we go. Just keep crumbling them and throwing them under there, and then you should be ready. But here you can see the fire coming through. That's what you want. And we'll just continue putting some paper in there. Probably about another 4 or 5 sheets. Okay, so I put another 4 crumble sheets of paper in there. You can see a lot more fires coming through. Alright, that's what we want. Okay, we might have to put another 4, and then once you can kind of get it where the fire kind of continues burning, then you should be okay to pour in more charcoal on top if you want. So I'm going to get more paper and I'll be back. Alright, so I put more pieces, 4 more pieces, and as you can see, it caught fire even though there was no fire left. That's how you know the charcoal at the bottom is already real red hot. You can start throwing actually more charcoal in there. If you want, you can start filling it up even higher. And yeah, so now you can see the fire is actually coming from the charcoal itself. And then we can throw in more, just pour in more. So let me pour in more and I'll be back. Alright, so I poured more on top. As you can see, it kind of put out the fire. There's not really any fire down here. If you want, you can add some more to get the thing burning even more. And yeah, let me put another 4 pieces. Oh, also, before I put the pieces of paper, you can already see there's actually fire that's spreading from the bottom charcoal up. But we're going to put 4 more pieces of paper and we should be good. Alright, so there's 4 more in there, and it should, there you go, it combusts on its own because the heat from the bottom of the charcoal. And you can see now the fire is coming up through all the charcoal, and we'll just let it continue burning and we should be good. Alright, after leaving it for a bit, you can see the fire has come through on its own. And at this point, because the charcoal at the bottom are like red hot, burning hot, you can actually transfer it over to a grill. I'm going to pour it in here and it should be good. It'll continue heating itself. Alright, so let me pour that in and then show you what it looks like. Alright, so let's grab this. You can see, uh-oh, I don't want the foot of this to, oh, I think I might have melted it. Whoops. Alright, anyways, let's grab this. You can see all the flames coming out, and let's pour this in here. You can see flame coming out the back, and we're just going to try and evenly disperse the charcoal. Whew, it's hot. Okay, there we go. There's the charcoal ready, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.